Ebi byabaho omurushitama rw'Ishengero orwabaho erizooba kandi rwayebemberwa omuhwezwa mukuru w'empanura z'Ishengero Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa kandi eshonga y'embeera ya Kano Dr Kizza Besigye yaretwa omunyishengero wa Buhweju County Honorable Mwijike Francis.
Pictures of Besigye looking frail, sickly, are awash in the media and out there. And therefore, as Parliament, we need to be seen to do something, to take a decision on this issue.
You need to understand how President Museveni works. Many of you, one by one, you will find yourself in prison. You can sit here comfortably because they are talking about Besigye, his opposition. That Besigye we are talking about was the one treating Museveni. Nearly Museveni died in Rwanda, but Besigye treated him. This is how he's paying him. This is how he will pay you. You can pretend.
Nabwanyuma, Minister Ruth Nankabirwa yaashaba okureta ekihandiiko omw'Ishengero ekirikworeka embeera ebesigye.
I am just standing here as Canon Dr. Ruth Nankabirwa to declare that we shall pray that God protects Dr. Kizza Besigye and that justice be done unto him. I am going to speak to my colleagues. I have listened what the colleagues have raised, such that come Tuesday, a satisfying answer is given to this House regarding Dr. Kizza Besigye's plea.
The Committee on Human Rights has both opposition and government side, okay, and the ruling side. And I really have hope. Dr. Besigye has survived the road. I don't think he will just die tonight, okay? Let's pray for him. Let's pray for him. We all wish him the best. So the best we can do is to ensure that indeed our committee goes there tomorrow. And whatever they find, we shall be in touch.
Nsonga ziti zitwasooka okuwaayo ez'okumukwata e Nairobi batugambye bajja kugireeta olwokubiri. Atwagala tugatte lipooti y'okumuwamba e Kenya n'eyokubeera nti eddembe lye limugibwako okukomera byonna tubitunuulire olwokubiri oba oliawo tuvemu ne resolutions gavumenti zesobola okuteeka mu nkola.
Gasha kwa Jime Muhumza.